Litecoin is absolutely tanking here after receiving a sell signal as we tested structure resistance at $96. At the same time, we saw price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high. And interestingly, with this crash, we're seeing very little movement in whale money. This tells me that if whale money starts moving out of the market, we're going to see some insane price moves down. In this video, I'm going to talk to you exactly where I think Litecoin's heading next and what you can be doing about it. Before we jump into the video, a few announcements. We have a brand new crypto forecast. You're going to want to watch this as soon as possible, as this has actionable trading strategies you can implement right now. On top of that, we have a brand new trade setup for our members. And last but not least here, our Inner Circle live Zoom meeting. Our hangout is happening tomorrow, Thursday, on June 29th, 2023 at 3 p.m. Pacific time. You can access all of this and more with a membership at the links in the description down below. And with that, let's jump into the video. Here we are on the Trade Confident website. We're going to scroll all the way down to Litecoin here. The first metric we're taking a look at is the Litecoin Emotional Index, and we are still in excited territory as the price drops. You'll notice that the previous price peaks here, we actually hit greedy twice in a row. Both of these resulted in pretty significant moves down, especially the last one. So this tells me we could be seeing some continued moves down here. Heading on over to the Litecoin volatility breakout detector. We are still in middle volatility here, not super high, not super low. However, we are decreasing in volatility, and if we fall below low volatility, this is where we're going to see some pretty insane moves. We saw it right here. We saw a crazy move up. Low volatility here preceded the crazy move down. It happens over and over again. So with that, if we see low volatility here, I think we could see some pretty significant moves. Based on the other metrics we're seeing right now, like the whale smart money metric, this is feeling pretty bearish though, so moves down are expected because we are seeing a ton of short trade sentiment in the market for Litecoin. We surpassed negative 1,000 here. This is a crazy low value for this short trade sentiment. It means we are very likely to see short trades into the market, and that's exactly what we're seeing from whales. Whale money, however, has barely begun falling out of the market, and this tells me we could be fairly bearish. I'll show you that more on the live charts, but first we got to check out the Litecoin major support and resistance levels chart. We are now below structure support at $88.25 and heading on down to possibly $75.32. This would be a significant drop for Litecoin. However, based on what I'm seeing in the rest of the coins in the market like Bitcoin, this would not be impossible. Next up is going to be the Litecoin long versus short trades here. You're actually seeing long trades increase a little bit, which is very interesting to me. As the price has dropped, we're seeing an increase in long trades. Most often this will result in moves up. This is not what we're seeing, so this is actually an anomaly to me. What I'm thinking is happening here is other exchanges are pushing the price of Litecoin down. Next up, it's going to be the Litecoin daily trade scanner. Beautiful calls here. Every sell signal here is seeing a top with a move down. Boom, top, move down. We got buy signals here that resulted in move up, strong buy signal, move up, and we just got a sell signal with this move down. So at this point, all I'm waiting for is for a buy signal to post like it did here in anticipation of the next move up in Litecoin. Once we see that, it could be a good place to enter. Now, if you're a Litecoin trader, you're going to want to get access to these metrics. And even if you don't personally trade Litecoin, our members get access to future forecast videos like the one posted today, where you're going to get actionable trading strategies you can implement right now. You'll get access to right here our trade setups, where we are 37 wins, 0 losses with 6 trades pending. And you can get access to our Inner Circle live hangout, where you can talk to us, Josh, Travis, and I in a live Zoom meeting. This is coming up tomorrow, June 29th at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time, and the link will be posted the day of the event. Check back here. We'll, of course, post it on the Telegram, too. If you want to get access to all this and more, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click Show More, and the membership link will be the very first one. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage. Head up here to subscribe. Follow the prompts right here, and if you want to get access to all the benefits I just showed, you're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month. Scalping trade calls, metrics across all 20 coins, morning brew overview, future forecast, daily trade scanner, and much, much more. Go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Back on the live charts, we're taking a look at Litecoin USD on the 1-day time frame, looking at the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. We are seeing after the sell signal and price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high, we're seeing the expected move down, and we have officially broken structure support at $34.50. This has just become resistance, so we're going to turn that over to red, and our next structure support we're looking at is at about $75.41. I do expect the price to drop to this level as whales begin selling out of the market. As they do, it'll lower the price to that structure support, where we should see trend exhaustion bottom out and a buy signal. This is about the level we received our last strong buy signal, so if we get all 3 of these, it should combine to be one of the most most bullish signals we can get in Litecoin. Now, if you haven't seen today's Bitcoin video, you're going to want to check it out. It highlighted some market data, some historical data that proves that we are very, very likely to see insane moves up in Bitcoin coming soon. Out of the 10 Julys that Bitcoin has been around for, 7 of them have been profitable, and the last 3 have earned over 20% profit each. This means that despite that Bitcoin and the rest of the market, for that matter, is bearish in the short term, I think we are going to see moves down to their respective structure supports. I showed you that in this morning's video, but from there, I am expecting some pretty insane moves up from the crypto market coming up this month. With that said, though, we are still expecting about a 9% move down here just to test that structure support, again at $75.41 in anticipation of the next move up. By that time, it should be July. We're pretty close here, so with that, we got to keep that in mind. I won't be able to cover Litecoin every single day. You're going to need these indicators if you trade Litecoin, and I'm betting you'll be profitable with just about every single coin here. If you want to get access, you can grab them for up to $400 off right now. If you want to snag those indicators, just head down to the links below, scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are going to be under the second link. Go ahead and click that. And if you want proof of how incredible these indicators are, this person made back the cost of the indicators and fee within 1 week of being a member. This person made $950 in 1 day, $4,300 in just a week, and $2,100 in 3 days. Those profits just keep on going. And if you want the best possible deal, what you're going to want to do is grab the indicator bundle pack first. This will include the trade exhaustion price versus well money flow, 7 other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. All you have to do is click the checkout link here, click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the regular $749. Click add to cart. It'll give you all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. Once you have those indicators loaded up, again, we're just looking for price versus well money flow to fall, bring the price down to structure support where the trend exhaustion will be low, and hopefully see a buy signal around the $75.41 mark. All 3 of these signals should combine to see the next crazy move up in Litecoin along with the rest of the crypto market as we move into July. With that, be sure to grab our membership to join us for our trade calls, future forecast videos, and our live Zoom meeting tomorrow, and grab these indicators to help trade live. These will be insanely important as we move forward, and with that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.